Welcome, friends. So today I will walk you through the basic statistical features in R programming. Okay, so I will use R Studio, and let us start from the measure of central tendency. So in statistics, basically R program is widely used for statistical analysis, and of course, a data scientist this R will help them to understand and make a statistical report quickly. Of course, Python is also useful and people are using, but R is specifically made of for this statistical analysis. So first of all, let us create two variable. Here I have created one variable ny, and this is a C bind. I have put some numbers. This is LA. I have also put some numbers. Okay, I will create this variable, and in order to create it I will run this run button, so it will be shown here. It is created. Now I will just check what is ny. So here ny it is a series. Okay, same LA. So I got this number. Now I what I will do, I have created these variables and I will create a data frame. Okay, so this is a data frame called pizza, and I will use a data.frame function and put n and y. Okay, so let us create a data frame. So I created data frame. Let me see how data frame will look like. So here you can see the pizza data frame has two columns, okay, and 13 rows. So two columns NA and LA. All right. Now I will check what is the mean of the each column. Okay. So first of all, I will check the mean of the first column NY. So in R Studio, you can give data frame name, then dollar symbol, and then column name. So this is very popular technique to filter the data from the data frame. Let me check the mean. So here I can see sorry, here I can see the mean is 155. Here if we look from this data itself, you can see there is a one big outlier. So its mean is 155. Now let us check the median of the pizza. Okay, I will take the same column ny. So okay, there are two z pizza. Okay, yeah. So median I have checked. Median is a 4. So in this case, you can understand that mean is highly affected by outlier, but median is not affected by outlier. So in stock market and statistical analysis, people usually ask which out of these two are highly influenced by outlier, mean or median. So we should be aware that mean is influenced, because mean will do the average, whereas the median will do the midpoint of your data frame or data scale. Okay, therefore here median is 4. Now let us create one table called table from this pizza data frame, and the column is ny. Okay, so table in bracket pizza dollar ny. So x I have created one table. All right, now I will create a y variable, and in this case I will take the second column of pizza data frame. Okay, so I have created y column. So you can individually assign any column value to any variable. Now I will take the overall descriptive summary of pizza data frame. So here in this console window, you can see this is a summary of pizza data frame. So in this case, what you find very interesting, it will give you the snapshot of your data. Here minimum value of this ny column is 1, maximum is 1929, median is 4, mean is 155, first quartile is 3 and third quartile is 9. Likewise, the same detail is given. So in any statistics, the descriptive summary will give you the minimum, maximum, median, mean, first quartile and third quartile. So this is very important information in any data frame or any statistical analysis. Usually in data science projects, people will do a descriptive statistics. So this is the descriptive statistics, or you can say exploratory data analysis. So this is a very crucial steps to do for EDF process. Now we will see what is a skewness. Now, skewness in the sense you might have seen this kind of bar, bell shape, and in between bell shape, you would have seen that half of the bell is in the left side and half of the portion is in the right hand side. So this is called the normal distribution. Okay, so I will check in Google what is a normal distribution. So I'll check normal distribution figure. Okay. In image I will find this is a standard normal distribution. That means in the left hand side and right hand side both are equally distributed. Now we want to see the skewness. So I will search what is skewness. I will search skewness and E double S. Okay, skewness. So there are two kind of skewness. One is a positive skew and one is a negative skew. Okay. So in positive skew here we can infer from this table that the slope is in the right hand side. That is called a positive skewness. And negative skewness is the skew is in the left hand side. Alright. We will understand it by example. So I have taken three variable, column 1, column 2 and column 3. Let me take it column 1, column 2 and column 3. Okay. Now I will create a common data frame DF using data.frame function, and I will put it column 1, 2 and 3 in this data frame, and this will be my data. And I will take the summary of my data frame. So in this summary, I will check the minimum and maximum value. Minimum is 1, maximum is 7. Mean is 2.79. Same column 2 it is 4 and column 3 it is 4.79. Now it is said that one picture is 1000 times better than any written material. Alright, so I will create a variable called p1.1 and I will try to plot the histogram for this column 1. Okay, so I will use a ggplot function. So in ggplot I will give the data frame name and the aesthetic AES x is equal to column 1. Then I will use a geo underscore histogram and I will give the bin width 1, color white and fill with red 4. And I will use a theme light theme for this histogram, and I have given the positive skew title. Now I will run it as a variable. I will run it, so the histogram will be stored in P1. Now let me check how my P1 looks like. PL.1. I will try to understand how it looks like. In the right hand side, you can see my positive skewness is visible. Now in this case, you can see that the majority of this data point are concentrated on the left hand side. So here these are the concentrated and its tail is in the right hand side. Okay, so therefore since its tail is in right hand side, it is called positive skew. Likewise, I will plot for this PL2. I will create a histogram for second column. I will give hit enter, then I will type p2 pl.2. So I will get the histogram of second column. So in the second column you can see that all columns are almost homogeneously equally distance distributed. So this is a middle point and there are three bars in the left and three bars in the right side. So this is called symmetrical histogram, or you can see it is a zero skew because there is no data point where it is concentrated on any one side. Now I will create for third histogram. The structure would be same, ggplot2 function, then we need to add a geom histogram, and then we need to give the theme like type of this theme and the title. I will run it and I will type pl3.pl.3. So this is my third column's histogram. So here you can clearly see that the data points are concentrated on the right hand side and its tail is in left hand side. So it is called negative skew. So always remember, if the tail is in left hand side it is called negative. If the tail is in the right hand side it is called positive. If data points are equally distributed and its curve is like a bell curve, so it is called zero skew. All right, so these are the common parameters, or you can say common statistical features used in descriptive statistics using R. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Thank you very much for watching this video.